Hi guys, so this is a continuation of the equations, linear equations that I had dealt in my last video. Okay, so you will find them easily in a playlist called linear equation, right? So this is the 10th question, okay, which we are going to solve now. Okay, so the complexity of the sums have grown, okay, one by one, and this is the 10th one. So let's do them, okay, here. So 6 minus 3. So first thing we need to do is to dissolve, to break away the small bracket, right? So in that case, 6 minus 3 into 2 is 6x minus minus plus. We get 9 over here, 3 into 3. Got it? When we multiply according to integers, okay, minus minus is equal to plus, and minus 3 multiplied by a plus 2x means a minus 6x. Alright, so this side we have 5 into 6 is 30, and 5 into minus x is minus 5x. Alright, we have this which comes down. What next? Like I had explained you in my last video, it's always better to go slow and steady. So let's first simplify the numbers here. Okay, so we have 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. And minus 6 comes down and plus 15. Alright. This side 30 is a number, but they have to be simplified. So we have 30 minus what? 9x. Alright. So having done them smaller in size, it's now much more convenient to deal with them. So we'll bring x's on the left hand side. So minus 6 will come down as it is in its same side. This will find its place here, okay, as plus 9x, and this is plus 15 will go to sit there as minus 15. Which means this becomes equals to a plus 15 because we take the sign of the bigger number, right? Here again we have 9x larger than minus 6x. So we'll take a plus sign here and a 3x here. Alright guys. So therefore we have found our x, 15 divided by 3. And which means this gets cancelled. Therefore, my x is equal to 5. Alright. So, any questions? Okay, please do ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'm sure I will be able to help you there. Okay. Now, what about it? So, what is the next thing? Now, we need to go far more complex, okay, than this. So, obviously, where do we go? So let me write the next question for you to understand. Okay, so as we are growing, remember, okay, we will be having a little tougher than this question. All right. So by looking at the sum, you will know that this is different from the 10th one. All right, because we have a lot of division operations in this, and since we have the denominators, okay, which were missing there, we need to find out, okay, logically the LCM, okay, on both sides. This side we already have, so it's time that we find an LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. All right. Now it's very important, okay, that here you have to be a little cautious. So I'll show you a very easy way of doing it. First, let us copy this. Okay, 2x and this one x minus 8. Alright, put them into brackets. Alright, and put the sign in the middle, right in the middle. Okay, now 3 goes, okay, in 3's table. When you get 6, 2 times. 6 goes how many times? In 6, in its table, 1 time. Here simply copy. Okay, so because we don't need to treat anything else here, as this is already sitting as an LCM. Alright. Next step would be to simplify them. Okay. So 2 into 2 is 4x. Alright. And minus 1 into x plus x is minus x. And minus minus plus, and 1 into 8 is 8. Alright guys. So have you understood? Now what next? Okay. Now we can't, okay, forget about writing a 6 down, as it is very much there. Here we can try to, okay, write the same thing over here, but the difference would be that we need to multiply, okay, this. So if we write 2 into 2, 4x, and 2 into 19 is 38, correct? And we have 9 still sitting there. Got it? What next? So as I had told you all earlier, that we need to simplify on both sides first before we try to bring them to the other side. So 4x minus x is equal to 3x plus 8 over 6, and here 4x plus 3x 38 has nothing to do, okay, with each other, as they are different unlike terms. Alright. What next? Okay. So what do you think should we doing? Okay. We should be, okay, bringing, okay, we'll do a cross multiplication next. Alright guys. So let's copy 3x plus 8, and this is multiplied by 9, and here 4x plus 38 multiplied by 6. Got it? So 9 into 3 is 27x, and 9 into 8 is 72. Alright, 6 into 4 is 24x. Okay, and 6 into 38 is plus 228. Alright, so 6 8s are 48, and 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright, now once again we need to simplify. So we bring 27x and 24x, okay, to left hand side, and 228 minus 72 to the right hand side. Alright, so what do we get over here? 27 minus 24 is 3x, and this side 228 minus 72 will come to be equal to 156 guys. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6, and then we have 2 over here, so we carry over, and then we get 5. From 12 7 goes, and 5 and 1 will be left over here, which means therefore x will be equal to 156 divided by 3, which is equal to, okay, 52. Got it? So this is my answer. X is equal to 52. So if you put this 52 here in place of x and try to simplify this, okay, you will see that this left hand side will be equal to right hand side if you will place 52 in this x's place. Alright guys, so this simple. Now in my next video I'm getting, okay, another, okay, sum, but this is going to come, okay, as continuity. Okay, so remember you have to see my previous videos to be able to, okay, see that how I have begun from the scratch. So anybody who is a clean slate and does not know anything about simple equations or linear equations should go back and visit those videos and try to understand the very concept of them. Alright guys, so see you soon. Okay, so very soon indeed with my 12th, 13th, okay, another 2 of them, okay, but they will be a little more complex and different from this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the channel, do subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.